Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a new episode of Fix It, the show where we try to answer all your questions about problems in around the house. So, you see we have here a vacuum cleaner, and I just want to start a vacuum cleaner to clean the floor of my house, but as you can see, if I press the button, you see, nothing happens. Well, that's a problem because now we can't clean the house. So what are we going to do? Now, watch closely. I'm only going to do this once. But it's actually very important that you keep attention. So watch this. Oh shit. And like I told you, the vacuum cleaner is working again. Well, thank you for watching this episode of Fix It. Next time we will discuss what to do when your dog dies. Goodbye!